Let the stream start for a second. Sorry about that one. Let me copy. Okay. Uh, okay. While I'm at it, let me go here. Huh. That's interesting. Kind of waiting for someone to hop on. Bounties. Newest ones, please. Centipede girl images. That might be interesting to work with. Okay, so you want an image in this style. I mean, it's a really nice style. I'm looking for like something interesting. Anyway, what I wanted to do is I wanted to make a Padoro character for my stream. End this at 0.75. Let's generate one more. Oh wait, I haven't paused my stream preview. Give me a second. Is it paused? I don't wanna. I'm kind of thinking about doing a face detailer somewhere. You know? Image. Take the control net negative and these take the positive and the negative conditioning. They model the clip. Box face. Let's see if this gets. Oh wait, maybe I should cancel it. Let's crank the CFG down. And the denoise, 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 0.3. They want a refinement of the eyes, not like a redo of the face. Okay. She has this red streak on her hair. I want slightly higher denoise here. Let's see. I'm gonna load this generation. You're gonna see it in a second. Why? Because I want a fixed seed here. Actually, I'm gonna add. What was the recommended? Wait. Download history. I downloaded this one. Okay, so the prompt. Actually, I'm gonna bunch them up here. The eyes are a little bit messy here, but yeah, the face detailer takes a while to run because it does a full 50 iteration thing. What does the course output look like? Hey, hey, Aria. Come on, come on. You loaded up. I love how the colors get slightly different between those two samplers. So, by the way, in case you're interested, what I'm doing, this is like a weird high-res fix I quote-unquote invented. Let me see Canny Edge. How good is Canny Edge? Because I might swap out the... Oh, wait, it's still going here. That takes a while. I think this is better. I'm not trying to open it. I wanna see. Yeah, yeah. So if you want me to go you through this. So here are my basic prompts and knobs, right? I am using an SD 1.5 LoRa, this one in particular. Actually, let me close these. Some of the images I might work on later. Uh, right? Here's the prompts. Actually, I should add comma this, just so it doesn't generate anything that's not, stream acceptable. Let's put it that way, because I am using base 67 here. So this is an old loader for inference. It makes the inference go a little bit faster because it forces FP16 for SD 1.5, right? I load a custom VEI because this model wants a custom VEI. I use the LoRa. I have the prompt separated because I use multiple clip encoders, right? I have a sampler here. I basically zero shot it with a Keras sampler here. The image is a little bit blurry. Actually, let me add blurry to the negative prompt. And then you decode it from the latent space to pixels. I use an AI upscale model specifically for anime style images, right? Then I downscale it because, sorry, because the model does a 4x upscale and I want a 2x upscale. So you basically do an upscale by 0.2 with like some fancy filter. Then I have these pixels. I run a control net that detects the edges, so it spits out this, and it uses them to generate conditioning. And I condition it alongside the text prompt here for SDXL. I use SDXL workflow also both. Wait, I think they patched in undo. No, they didn't patch in undo. Let me load in the VEI. Um, I load in SDXL. I use two samplers because that's how I like to roll. Let me do it this way. Okay. Um, you have two samplers, right? Because I use Keras and then I use Euler because otherwise the colors get a little bit blotchy in spots like see here. Versus here, it's a little bit better, although I maybe want a little bit less here, a little bit more of a denoise, so it gets a little bit less blotchy. I use a phase detailer because the eyes get a little bit swimmy. Basically, the phase detailer does an image to image pass. It takes the image and like regenerates the face to make it more detailed. It uses more pixels to get it more detailed and everything. It kind of like makes a zoomed in image of the face and then it slaps it on top of the existing image. Then you get this, and then actually I can take this and I can feed it into the image upscale, and then I can downscale it back to what I want. Actually, I need the lanchas here. Yeah, basically I use multiple passes with AI upscale models and everything. Oh, screw it, I messed up here. This takes the positive conditioning. Okay. Kind of like the look of this image. I'm actually gonna do a little bit of a trick here, and that is to bypass this image and use this image in the face detailer. These don't change because I use a fixed seed on them. I have the seed here, so the high-res fix runs with the same exact noise seed as everything else. And this is the image I get out. for example. And let me open it. I can, for example, take it into... I'm unfortunately using Windows here. That sucks, by the way. Not the biggest fan of that, but GPU drivers and all are a little bit better. I can paste the image in, and I could just... Wait, Shift O, deselect. I could technically... Now I think I'd just use the good old without this, you know. And here and here. And technically you have a very rough one. If... Can I actually... Wait, you know what I'm gonna try? Negative prompt. Still fringes like hell. Let me try cranking CFG down to like 4. I might try to patch in SAG, that's self-attention guidance, into SDXL or something. Also remember I have a 4090, so it's fairly fast to generate those images. I really don't like this face though, here. This too, if I could paint it white in post. This face is a little bit better. I want to evaluate for color fringing. It's kept to a minimum. That actually worked. Let me unfreeze the thing. Let me unplug the image so face detailer doesn't run. So I can just use the images I want. Another one. The ear on the right is messed up, so it's a wash. Also, I am not using SDXL Turbo here because image generation matters a lot. This one's gonna be facing left. That's almost coherent text. And the thing is, it's a signature in such a spot. I might actually keep that one. The eyes are a little bit averaged out on this one, so copy into clip space, load image, paste, and just patch it in here. I don't save like those images like that. So I can just paste it in here. Add. Oh wait. No, no aspect ratio fixing, please. Okay, and then you basically, here's a pro tip. You do a grow. 2 pixels might be enough. It's gonna be a bit aggressive, right? Actually, let me do an image, sorry, a select favor by 2 pixels. Now it's gonna be quite a smooth selection. Though I'd want to scale it down because there's some of that AI artifacting in here. Unless it's the AI upscale that's messing it up. Uh, no, it was messed up originally. Maybe like 0.06 here. Let's keep spinning the... But yeah, that's how we can make stuff. I'm using a LoRa here because there's a LoRa that's like a concept LoRa and I can make stuff. Let's say I want her to have, I don't know. I don't know if prompting for ear fluff works. Well, it didn't work. I think it's SD 1.5 sucking at clip. But she has a pink outfit now. If I want her to have, let's say I want her to have purple hair. She's gonna have purple hair, for example, right? So I can like guide it with a text prompt. And in this case, I don't need a control net besides this. She node control net preprocessors. Huh, let's see this one. I want like a side by side. Takes the image, preview image, drag it below. Let's shoot out one more image and let's do a head to head. You know what? It might actually work a little bit better. Now let's go black to black hair then. If you want me to make some kind of image, I can do it after this one because there's like not that many. Again, let me show you. Not that many good bounties. It actually auto-opened bounties. Invent-a-Punk. Okay, so it's like a text prompt thing. Okay. I mean, these are actually decent, dude. Anyway. I think, yeah, it actually works a little bit better. I don't like this image in particular because she's kind of sticking out of the frame, which would suck for making thumbnails out of it. This one is a little bit closer, the line, she's almost sticking out in here. Also, yes, I am prompting for a white background just for simple reason of it makes it easier to, extract it. Because, for example, if I go into my images, here's some of my AI images, right? Like, for example, I have this image, which I used for a thumbnail. I had to do some manual extraction to get the headset to look right. But then I can just like slap this onto a thumbnail. If I go to pictures, maybe, yeah, I made this thumbnail with it. Another thing is, for example, oh look, it generated this. It makes no sense. It looks bad, right? Actually, I want you to do less denoise. Let's see if less of a denoise is gonna help with the eyes not getting a little bit too messed up. I just want that extra oomph. So it looks, yeah, there's a math formula for this. The start that step minus end that step and stuff. Like you do like a division over it, and it spits out like the denoise you want basically. But yeah, this is Comfy UI. It's free software and all. People use it for things that are not just running Stable Diffusion, by the way. So you know what I'm gonna do? Gonna take these. I'm gonna copy, paste. I'm also gonna fix the seed, let it spit one out. So I can like paste images and stuff, you know? But yeah, this is just a node-based UI. She has a big bag. So this black outfit Santa. Oh, is that a bit of a maid outfit look? I like it. I like this one a lot. Let me just take this one. Let me look at it in GIMP. No, it needs an AI upscale fix. So I copy, paste, generate. It's gonna generate another image as well. This one looks decent. A bit less messy. Paste. Give it a second. I mean, look at this, not too shabby. I'd want to downscale it, but I'd rather remove the background first so I have more pixels to work. Let me take this one. There's ways to teach AI certain concepts without even training it at all these days. Things have gone quite crazy. Um, hmm. I'm looking if there's any places I forgot to select. Select, grow by those 2 pixels. Select, feather by 2 pixels, delete. And now I can do an image, scale image to 1024 by 1024. Yeah, use cubic. It's gonna be a little bit cleaner. And I could just slap this into a thumbnail somewhere. So for example, I could go spin up a new one. And make like a Fortnite one. How can I search with an image? Yeah. Find image source. I want this image. That's edited down. Hmm. search for. Here you go. Here's the image at full quality. I'm lazy. Basically the lobby loading screen for the season. Let me scale it down. I want 1920 by 1080. Yes, scale it down. Because that's the resolution I work on. I can just Padoru OC. Just save in here. And you know what? I'm gonna take this image and duplicate it, add a new layer. This is white, right? No, it's not white. Padoru OC background. Okay, and I'm just gonna post it on I'm gonna give this guy a review. Images. Windows, please. Windows, please. Why are you dragging? I am trying to. Did I mention that Windows is a joke OS? Oh, wait. Okay. And now I need to post it again. Padoru. Okay, just so I have the seed and everything, because I want to share some of the information about the generation data. So this is the positive, this is the negative prompt, CFG is 4, really low. Steps. Oh my, that's a tough one. Let's put in 30, but although it's in reality it's like way more. Sampler, I think it's 3 million caras, so I need to use the closest one. And the magic number is this one. Bam. I manually add generation data because it sucks. Oh, hey, someone also hopped in here. Hello, hello. Is there anything else? Padoru. Publish. I kind of wanna take this image, paste it here to a new layer. And now I can like scale it around and stuff. You know, just a Winterfest themed thumbnail. I don't know what else. Did I put some text here? I don't think so. I think keeping it clean is the way to go. Padoru. Fortnite chapter 5. Pictures, stream, export, export, and I'm also gonna, yeah, make a JPEG version. Export, show preview. I can crank the. Make a 97 maybe. Yeah, let's make a fancy JPEG. Long story short, I have to keep the thumbnail size correct. So Arya, you want any stuff? Because I can make you an image if you want something. There's a bounty for centipede girls, and it's like, oh, that sounds like a potentially tough thing to do, you know? They publish it. This one, I need to, can I delete it? Oh, it's an unfinished image. Okay, and if I go into my profile, it should show up in here. Just let load. Yeah, there you go. Here's Civet Chan as a Fortnite skin, for example. I was messing around with Turbo. Yeah. I'm gonna send it to myself on Steam. Uh, Fun fact, if I go into my friends, I have a DM where I'm the only, sorry, a group message where I'm the only person on it, which is amazing. Means that it's basically a notepad where I can send stuff to myself. Okay. I'm gonna wait. If you want, we just send it. But basically, this is what you'd call, I don't know, a control net guided high-res fix. Basically, I get the quality of SDXL with SD 1.5 LoRa. But it is a very inefficient way of doing it. So it's like a, hey, I want a high quality image, you know? Wow, someone playing Quake Live. I wouldn't expect that. That's actually... But I'm waiting on that image if you want me to make something in particular in mind. Meanwhile, maybe I'm gonna go through the models section here. Uh, okay. You want this character, right? I'm gonna tell you one thing. So the can I? Huh. I'm just gonna have to open up GIMP here on my other computer for a second. Okay, so here's the image you sent. I can open the image in a new window. Oh, typo. You want me to make an image like this, right? Okay, I'm gonna tell you one thing. First and foremost, the pride flags, I'm gonna... Wait, this is like a really low quality JPEG. I'm gonna show you a little bit of a trick. I'm just gonna... Actually, I don't even need to. Choose a file to upload. Bam. And it's like 10 times cleaner in terms of image quality already. Like the JPEG compression artifacts from here and everything, right? You can see like the noise because DCT is DCT. Hear this with a really quick and rough AI upscale. Oh, you want a Padaro of this character? Tell me exactly what you want. Or did you send? No, you just sent the image. I mean, if you want me to make this image but AI, I can. Should I try it with this one? I'm probably gonna nuke the LoRa. Figure out what I meant to do. Well, sounds the whole clip thing. I'm pretty sure. That's fine. It's the uh it might generate booba, just saying. The model loves to do that. Hello? Oh, the face detailer is going a little bit crazy. I'm gonna nuke it for now. But try doing a pose control net. Thing is, because I don't know how close me. Oh, blue eyes. Okay, okay, because they're like not included in this art style. Okay. Uh, she's quite generic, but uh, yeah, a little bit of negative prompting goes a long way. Here she's wearing like a seifuku. I mean, if you, cause like I don't know if you want this kind of pose, cause if you want this kind of pose, I might have to run a pose control net. Mm. I want to see if it figures out. No, it's too. No, I can't use it for a pose reference here. I could like. Um, I could like take the. Give me a second. I'm just gonna check matrix here. Uh, I could like maybe use this. Actually, wait. She has a heart necklace. I like this one. I don't even need to fix up the face really here. This just needs a couple of seconds of an AI upscale, to be honest. Okay, so you wanted it for a reference. I really like this one. I'm gonna actually move it alongside the clip space. It's gonna generate another one, but that's fine. This one has like a black circle. And now I can just open the image, copy the image, go into GIMP, and again, just do a quick background removal job. There's like some tools that can do it with AI, but they're not perfect. If you're like compositing images and like running image to image, yeah, it's good enough, but not for this kind of thing. I'm kind of worried about going with select, grow by like 1, delete. The background is obliterated. Now you want me to remake the background, right? So you have, wait, what pride flags do you have in here? You had like a trans pride flag and a bi pride. Yeah, that's the bi pride flag. Okay. Okay, let's make it da da da. Yeah, I'm using DuckDuckGo so I get redirects, you know. These ones are always high quality. Open image and new tab. No, go here. Can I view the flag by itself? Uh, Let me do it in the GIMP here. Now, pro tip, when you scale, you wanna change the interpolation to none, so it gets sharp edges. And I wanna scale it, and I want the height to be, I think it's 2048 by 2048 is the size of the image, right? No, I want you to scroll through the tabs. Right, I put it down, and you have a trans pride flag. And then what I want is I want the bi pride flag. I There's technically a high quality SVG, but this upscale is gonna have sharp edges pretty much. And 2 new layer scale, so it is 2048 tall. Right, it's real quick. Let me realign it. I see a problem here though. Uh, do you want the trans flag on the left or on the right? Because if I, yeah, see the hearts have a way better contrast with the trans flag than the bi flag. I'd have to recolor them. Yeah, give me a second. I have an idea, because like if I do the split the way you have it on your image, which is here, trans flag on the left, then you have the heart on the left. Then I'd have to flip the image, or I could flip the pride flags. So the pride flag. Okay. No, because like I don't want to flip the. I think this left to right thing works better. So let me do this. I'm gonna have to make a selection, like a rectangle, like a triangle selection. Okay. Actually, it's gonna be cut in half either way. So you know what? I'm gonna duplicate this layer. This one, I take the hearts, I delete them. See, they're deleted. Actually, wait. I just want to separate the hearts out, right? So I can recolor them down the line. I don't know how effective this is gonna be. Uh, Filters, blur, just Gaussian blur. Yeah, it's more like, can I type in that? Okay, I want them to have a more blurred edge. Something like this. Actually, let me rename the layers and everything. This one is gonna be called hearts. This one's gonna be character. By flag, it's okay, just to keep it clear. And now I can save it as just straight into downloads and export it. PNG. And yeah, just send it at full quality. Let's see, will Steam let me upload an XCF file? No. If you want to, I can send you the XCF file I made. Actually, let me go to Catbox and upload it. Bam. It's almost 5 megs. Holy crap. Okay. And let me... You see, I don't really trust Windows, so I'm acting low-key paranoid. Again, I made the split the other way, so the colors like blend a little bit better. Because if I do this, right? It doesn't look as good. Also, like the line of the hair, if it follows with this line, it just looks better. And I don't want to do like a flip of the character where I flip the character, pretend the hearts are on the other side. It just doesn't work. So there you go. That's your profile picture. And I'm gonna copy the, if you want the image, copy link URL. If you want the okay. Anyone wants anything else? I'm just gonna close this. Minimize. Actually, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna even close GIMP because I don't need it. Again, if there were like more fun bounties, I'd try them. Unless you have some ideas, because I might want to make a centipede girl. Oh, there's no generation data, it just shows the generation data thing. Well, it's getting somewhere. And yeah, the Hyros Fix is doing its face, although the face is too small. That doesn't work. Oh, okay, area. And in case you need it, Wait, how big is the image I made in GIMP? That looks like 1024 by 1024. Okay. Oh, it's Kuni. It's Kuni. The small loves doing that. This one is like 2 pixels in the latent space where the image is generated, so it looked bad. It gets the prompt, but it's kind of vague. I have no idea. Okay. This one got sharpened a ton. 10SDXL kinda sucks at faces. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream here. I'm gonna go and play Fortnite. I'm gonna do a Fortnite stream in a second.